Are you a home inspector or building contractor looking to learn how to use infrared? Well, we have the answer for you. United Infrared has a course called The Home Inspect IR, and it's all about learning how to use an infrared camera in a residential property. We cover topics such as electrical, HVAC, energy audit, and moisture. And within each of these topics, we'll show you how to properly use an infrared camera, any brand, on a residential structure. And we'll also teach you how to write an effective report, including the marketing that goes with it. If there's any questions, don't hesitate to call our office, 888-722-6447,